Hey designer friends, in this video I want to talk about the project that you'll do during this course. After working with thousands of designers, we figured out that it's not enough to watch videos. You actually learn best by doing work, by taking action on the work, and by getting feedback from other people. And so during this course, you'll be working on two projects which we'll use to give you a certificate for this program. Again, we don't care if you watch the videos or not. All we care about is the outcome, which is you designing great websites. And so that's what we'll measure. So the first website that you'll do is a client website from start to finish. Now, if you're working with a client right now, that's fantastic. You can use your client project right now as your course project, get feedback from us and submit it, including all the different deliverables along the way. If you don't have a client project to work on, you can work on a self-initiated project, and this is a great opportunity for you to work on your dream project, right? So you can pick whatever company you dream to work on, and you'll use that project later on in your portfolio. So you can pick that. You can either pick an organization that you care about their mission or you want to volunteer on helping them, or if they're just a local business that you like and you want to support, you can use that business as your project. And at the end of the course, you can just gift them the project and perhaps they'll even find that valuable and maybe even use that. And that can be a great way for you to start gaining experience and broaden your network. So that can be an additional value in doing this project. The second project is actually your portfolio. Now, whether you have a portfolio or not, we want you to create one. Now, you can create one from scratch or you can update your current portfolio with the new project that you just worked on and also using all of the principles that you've learned in the course. Once you've submitted those things, we're going to review all of the different deliverables from the process that we cover in this course. So whether that is your strategy, wireframes, the actual design, we review all of them and we're going to check for your design skills. So as part of the resources doc, you have a full-on checklist and we'll be using that checklist to actually review your work. Of course, if we think something is not on par or good enough, we'll give you that feedback and you'll be able to go into that design skill, rewatch the video and improve on the whatever it is that needs reworking. Now, development is not required for these projects. This is a design course. This is not a development course. If you want to go ahead and develop your projects, that's fantastic. Obviously, your portfolio should be live and running, but for the client project that you'll be doing, you don't have to develop it. If you want, that's cool. Again, we're not going to be judging development. We're only going to be judging the web design itself. Now, to get the certificate, you'll have to submit both these projects. And at the last video on this course, there'll be a form where you'll be able to submit these projects. As I've mentioned, watching all of the videos in the course is not required to be certificated, right? You only have to submit the project. We'll review them and we'll give you feedback. There's tons of added quizzes and exercises. You can do them if you want, but they're kind of like a bonus. They're not mandatory to get our certificate. And as I said, the only thing that we care about is the result of your projects at the end. All right, now we're ready. Let's start learning.